Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not set up Apple Pay. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to set it up your Apple Pay, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to set up your Apple Pay, you see the error, which is could not set up Apple Pay. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So basically, it's nothing else. It's just a network issue. You can easily fix this by fixing your network. So just scroll down or go back and just scroll down, and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. You can also try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go back from here, open your settings app, and here go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just simply go back from here, go to language and region, select region, and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, just go back and here go to date and time section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to software update. You can try to update your software. So after updating software, if it might be a software glitch, it will be fixed in this step. So after doing this, just simply go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step. You will not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, I recommend you how to try to make a forced restart before you retry. So just quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until that screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, you can go to your settings, go to screen time section, and here go to content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. So if there will be any issue with your iPhone restrictions, it will be fixed in this step. So after disabling your restrictions, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to check more step. Open your browser here and then simply search for Apple system status. It's the option I have already searched for this. So you have to simply search for Apple system status. Then open the first website from here. Just tap on this plus or the cross option here. And here you have to make sure that all the services are available, or especially your App Store, your Apple account, also your iCloud and your Apple Pay. So after checking for these services, you have to go back and you have to retry. You might see that these services are not available, so it might be a server issue that your server is still down. You can try again for almost 1 hour, 2 hour, or sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So you can try it again after 24 hours. So once your server has been recovered, you can easily set up your Apple Pay. Or if you're facing the issue that your Apple Pay is available or our server is available, it's not down, but you're still facing the same issue, open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store. You can use the Apple Store web. Select iPhone from here, select subscriptions or purchases, then select update payment method. And here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.